What is up, you guys? We are going to be doing some tunes on how to make a very strong truck. So yeah, let's get into this. Okay, so first of all, customization really doesn't matter. So just have a repair kit. I prefer having a repair kit on all my vehicles. Okay. So upgrade power, stage 4, grip, stage 4, weight, stage 4, durability, stage 4, okay? And make it a diesel, okay? Okay, make it a manual. You can put an e-brake in there, it does not matter. And turbo, stage 4. So now let's go to okay, and this is the truck that you want to buy. The third one in the dealership. That truck, okay? So now go to tuning, and it's a monster suspension for the front and the rear. And if you go to tuning, travel is 0.98. Stiffness is 9,400. Shock size does not matter, but I like it to have it all the way up. Damping is 2,000, and axis width is 0.00. And then for the rear, axis width is 0.00, damping is 2,000, shock size is 1.8, stiffness is 9,400, and travel is 0.98. And rear steering is set for 0.00. Okay, for the tires, rim size is 1.0, wheels radius is 1.7, and wheels width is 2.6. Rim size for the rear is 1.0, wheels radius is 1.7, and wheels width is 2.6. Okay, so go to gear tuning. You want to make it a stage 5, and you want to upgrade it all the way. Okay, first gear is 4.0, second gear is 2.8, third gear is 0.9, fourth gear is 0.7, and fifth gear is 0.6. And low gear is 4.0. Okay, so when go to dyno run and buy perfect setup for 100 gold. So you can buy that for 100 gold, okay? And we're gonna run dyno. Let's see. Makes 705 horsepower, which is the most you can have in the game. Except if you get a tow truck, you can get more out of them. But yeah. So that's that truck. Very strong. Will win tug of war. Very easy. If you go to rims, it's the last ones, and I have spoke chrome and bead chrome. Okay. And the tires is 13th one. Okay, the 13th tire. So that's that. Very nice truck. So yep, I love that truck. So that one's nice. Okay, so next we're gonna go to this truck. Okay, so to go to the dealership, it's going to be let's see, this one. Okay, so first, if you want to go to upgrades, stage 4 grip, stage 4 engine power, stage 4 weight, stage 4 durability. Okay, make it a diesel. I do not have a manual. You can put an e-brake if you want, and I have no turbo in it. So It's a nice truck. If you go to tuning, I have it. It's just the regular solid axle type. So axis width 0.00, damping 1000, leaf spring mount height, that does not matter. The shocks do not matter. Shock size does not matter. Spring brackets do not matter. And stiffness is 20,000, and travel is 0.30. Okay, for the rear, axis width is 0.00, damping is 1000, leaf spring doesn't matter, rear steering is set 0.00, shocks do not matter, shock size doesn't matter, spring brackets doesn't matter. Okay, stiffness is 20,000, and travel 0.30. Okay, I have gear tuning at a stage 3. Okay, first gear is 3.0, second gear is 1.4, and third gear is 0.9. Fourth gear is 0.7, fifth gear is 0.6, low gear is 3.2, all the way up. So, I do not have a perfect setup on it, so let's run dyno. 555 horsepower. It is a nice truck. It's very strong, so the rims I have on it is the 18th one, and I do not have it chrome. It's just black. Both bead and spoke is just black, matte black. Okay, the tires are the 13th ones. So it's that, and customization really doesn't matter. It's whatever you prefer. So that is all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed, and hope that was useful. So comment if you built those trucks from my video, and like and subscribe. Have a good day.